Oh my god. Oh my god. It's manual. Oh my god. Time to drive this bitch. Time to fucking drive it. Oh my god. Alright, let's take a look at this first. Oh wait. Oh my god, I'm fucking driving this. I cannot believe it. I'm driving this bitch. Wait, is there a basement? Jesus Christ. Oh, it's 2-speed. Alright, let's take a look around here. Oh my god. I can't fucking believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Westinghouse? Watch this. Push it down. We go down. We go up. Oh my god! I can just leave it there and it drives itself. Oh shit, there's the counterweight. Whoa. Whoa! Okay, let's see that bitch again. Go back down. Go down, Mr. Westinghouse. Here it comes. Whoa! That thing is fucking thick. I am hyperventilating right now. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this. I'm actually driving a Westinghouse. Driving a Westie. This is amazing. God damn. Look at this thing. And I believe it stops automatically at 4 or 5. I don't think it does, so I'm gonna be careful. Alright. I cannot believe I found this. Alright. Look at this. I love how it drives itself. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna drive it with my foot. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Little FYI, don't drive elevators with your foot because it hurts your fucking knee really bad. What is this bitch? Whoa. What is this? Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Alright, we'll end the video on one. Alright. That's it.